Cool Wallet Go is one of the worst wallets I've ever tried to use. It is absolutely terrible. It's this little card here, no screen, and it's a lock-in system to the app. It has no interoperability with open source software like many wallets have with the BIP39 seed phrase. It really sucks. It really sucks. It's not worth owning. It's not worth using. To me, it honestly seems like it was designed many years ago and they just made a ton of them and they need to just sell them. They haven't actually updated and made these things compatible and user-friendly and usable and actually useful for anybody that knows anything about hardware wallets. Part of the proof is that these wallets just have a little card in them to do an update about their pin setup, as opposed to actually changing the instruction booklet that comes with it, which makes me think they printed a billion of these things and they just threw this card in as a fix and really don't care about the users. Again, all of this is going to be my opinion, but I'm also going to state out a bunch of facts about this wallet and then add why these are problems. We'll get into it. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Forrest Hodel, and I help people one-on-one make sure they have the best Bitcoin practices for security. If you need some help securing your Bitcoin or anything else Bitcoin related, you can reach out to me through my website, pathtobitcoin.xyz, and there's a link for it in the description. So the Cool Wallet Go, it is a card-like wallet, very similar to a Tangem. There's also the EliPal X cards that are like this as well. And even the Tap Signer by CoinKite. One of the biggest problems that all of those wallets suffer from is that there's no screen on the hardware wallet itself. And therefore, you are effectively blind signing transactions. So you use an app, which is another problem with this one, is that there's only going to be one app that works for it. And then you create the transaction on there. So you have some Bitcoin held in on this, secured by the private keys that are held within here. And you try to send that Bitcoin to somebody else or to your other wallet or back to an exchange. And you are fully trusting that the app is telling you the proper information, that there is no malicious malware that has infected that app, or maybe you even downloaded the wrong one, that there's no malware that is changing out information in that transaction. And it wouldn't be as obvious as actually telling you what's going on in the transaction. It could mask that and underneath the surface, change the address that you're sending it to, even though visually it's telling you it's sending it to the right address. It could change the amount. So you could do a test transaction and it could actually sweep your wallet. And this is a problem of malicious software. But because you don't have a hardware wallet, you are 100% trusting the software wallet that is telling you the proper information, or the software companion app. So with a hardware wallet, you're going to transmit the information from the actual transaction to your hardware wallet and verify the addresses, verify the amount, the fees, and everything on the hardware wallet itself. And that is not going to lie to you. And then you're going to confirm and apply the private keys. With this, you just tap it and it applies the private keys to the transaction. You have no way of confirming that what it's telling you is true or not. Massive, massive problem. Don't second guess that your Bitcoin is safe. Get a security audit through a one-on-one session with me and join the school community, the Bitcoin Masters, to meet other Bitcoiners, grow your network, and grow your net worth.